In today's video, I'll show you how to make a fully functional website using AI. We're going to dive right into the brand new Wix Harmony platform, a powerful tool where intuitive vibe coding meets complete drag and drop freedom. To begin, you will see a clean text box prompting you to describe the exact website you want to create. I have already prepared a detailed description in a separate Google document, which is a great tip if you want to draft your ideas carefully before generating. I'll switch over to my document, highlight my pre-written prompt for a family-owned coffee shop called Brew & Co. located in Manila, and copy it. Then, I'll head back over to the Wix Harmony page and paste this text straight into the prompt box. Let's click the bright blue, Generate My Site, button. Now, you'll see a beautiful loading animation on your screen as the artificial intelligence works its magic, analyzing our text and piecing together a customized layout, pulling in relevant images, and generating perfect copy. Once it finishes, we are immediately dropped into the live editor. On the right side, you'll notice Aria, our AI assistant, letting us know the site is ready. Let's take a scroll down this brand new homepage. You can see the AI perfectly captured our requested aesthetic. We have a beautiful hero section for Manila's Cozy Brew, a neighborhood vibe area, our specialties, and a sleek schedule and footer section at the bottom. Of course, a modern website must be fully responsive. So, at the top right of the editor, I'll click on the mobile device icon to switch our view. It's fantastic to see that the AI has automatically optimized the entire layout for smartphone users. We can scroll through to verify that all the text, images, and buttons scale perfectly on smaller screens. Satisfied with the mobile responsiveness, I will click the desktop icon right next to it to switch back to our standard workspace. Next, let's see how easily we can expand our site using the AI chat assistant. I will open my Google Doc one more time to copy my next instruction. Add a testimonials section below the About page with 3 short customer quotes. Paste my request into the message bar and hit enter. The AI immediately begins processing this command. In just a few seconds, the page refreshes, and a gorgeous new Voices from our Hub testimonials section magically appears. Now, let's navigate over to the Our Story page using the editor's top menu. I want to show you how to tweak individual elements. I'll click on the main heading text, Our Heritage. You'll see a quick menu pop up where you can adjust the text styles, heading sizes, or even use the color picker. Next, I'll click on the long paragraph of text below the heading. From the floating toolbar, I'll click the Ask Aria sparkle icon and select Improve Text from the drop-down menu. The AI instantly rewrites the paragraph, making the copy flow smoother. To change visuals, I'll click on the image of the vintage coffee pot and pastries, and click the Replace Image button. This opens up a media selection window. From here, you can click Upload Media, and select Upload from Computer, to bring in your own custom photography. I'll just close out of this window for now since the original image looks great. Finally, it's time to share our creation. I'll move to the top right corner and click the blue Publish button. A confirmation window pops up, so I click Publish again. We get a success message, so let's click View Site to open our live website in a new tab. We can now scroll through our published masterpiece, checking out the home page, the Our Story page, and browsing the fully populated menus page with all its delicious items. And that's it. That's how you make a fully functional website using AI.